Hello, my name is Valerie, and this is the continuating story of my photodynamic therapy session number 2. Monday, I was at a pain level of about an 8. I presented back at the doctor's where they gave me a antibiotic cream recommending I have a full course of antibiotics, which I did not want. They've applied the antibiotic cream to my chest where the pustules were. She took a bit of skin off and removed the Vaseline that I had there, but the pain level was 10, 10, 10, 10. I cried from 3:15 until 9:15 when all the medications and sleeping tablets kicked in and I eventually passed out. The next day, being Tuesday, I presented back at the doctor's again with some improvement, pain level about an 8. Again, today I'd say the pain is about a 5. I'll just see if I can bring it in closer. This area here is particularly sore. The rest of it is okay now. The doctor said this is extremely unusual to have this sort of reaction to it. My girlfriend, who's been to the same doctor, has had the same reaction, only it was with her session 1 and only on her face did she have the PDT done. And she's absolutely said she will not go back for a second session. Fortunately, mine happened on the second session. Overall, right now, I still would not have this done. I will see what happens in a couple of days and report back again. The nurses at the surgery told me that the more pain, the more it's worth it. When you're at a level 10 plus pain, nothing's worth it. Bye.